So here's how my Shopify store makes over $3,000 every single day. With this powerful strategy, I make $200,000 per month on Shopify without selling products. This is better than dropshipping in 2022. You can easily make big money with this method without any investment or skill. In this video, I will show you my complete strategy and how I make $200,000 per month and how you can earn like this. So don't skip this video. So it's because I sell subscription-based products and services, just like how Netflix does. And you can make way more money doing this since you have repeat customers. So if you want to stop subscriptions on your store, you can download the Shopify app subscriptions by your phone. This app is really easy to use. So once you've gone through the setup process, then you can start selling subscriptions. Then you'll start earning recurring revenue, which will help you scale your business even further. So that's how this is a super easy method for beginners to start their drop servicing business with Shopify without any skill or investment. So start your online business with this strategy and make money very easily. I'm sure that you can do it.